The BEAD program is a $42.5 billion government-funded program aimed at closing the digital divide by reaching every single household in the United States that is currently without internet access.
Last August, we came to Kenosha to announce with NTIA that we would be the first company that would manufacture Buy America-compliant product.
One of the key requirements of the BEAD program is that products sold into the program must be made in America. And so less than 9 months ago, we were here at our facility in Kenosha, Wisconsin with the Vice President announcing our commitment to manufacturing in the United States.
We knew we had to get to market quickly with our production. So we partnered with Sanmina, a world-class electronics manufacturer, coupled with our global supply chain, one of the strongest in the industry. We put together an aggressive timeline, and we were able to bring Buy America-compliant products to the BEAD market in record-breaking time.
We're here talking about our products, which are now rolling off the production line to be sold into the BEAD program. BEAD is being implemented by the states, and every state has its own timeline. The first few states are going to be launching their grant program this summer, and Nokia products are already available to be ordered in time to meet deployment timelines.